Good afternoon. Question number 31. There are 3 bags ABC. They have 3 different color balls, blue, red and orange. How many bags are there? 3 bags. One is bag A, bag B, bag C. How many colors of balls? 3 colors. Blue color, red, next orange or not. Next, in bag A, the total number of balls is given how much? Bag A total number of balls is 20 or not. Next, the number of blue balls is equal to the number of red balls or not. Means blue balls and red balls both are in same or different? Same. Next, bag B, the total number of blue balls is how much? 9. Blue balls are given how much? 9, which is 37.5% of the total number of all 3 color balls or not. 37.5% means what is the fraction? 3 by 8 or not? 3 by 8. Out of 8 parts, how many parts are there? 3 parts. The 3 parts are equal to which one? 9 or not? 3 parts are 9, every 1 part are 3. Then 8 parts are how much? 24 or not? 24. Next, the number of red balls is 2 times of the total number of orange balls or not? Red balls is 2 times of which one? Orange balls. Already out of 24, 9 are which one? Blue balls or not? What are the remaining balls? 15 balls. That 15 balls is red balls are 2 parts and oranges are 1 part or not? If orange are 1 part, red is how many parts? 2 parts. Total is how many parts? 3 parts. 3 parts are 15 balls or not? 1 part value 5, 2 parts are 10 or not? Next, bag C. The ratio between the total number of balls B to C is given 4:3. The number of red balls is 2 more than the number of blue balls. Red compared to blue, how many balls are more? 2 more. And before this one, total number of balls B to C are given 4:3 ratio or not? 4 parts is given how much? 24. And 3 parts are 18 or not? Means total number of balls in bag C is 18. The number of red balls is 2 more than the number of blue balls. But the number of orange balls is how much? 8 or not? Out of 18, 8 are orange means remaining balls are 10 balls or not? The 10 balls are equal to which one? Blue and red or not? Blue and red or blue and orange? Blue and red. And one more condition, red compared to blue, how many balls are more? 2 more or not? Means red balls are written 6, blue balls are 4 or not? 4 plus 6 is how much? 10. Difference are 2 or not? Next. And one more, the number of orange balls is 8, which is 2 times of the which one? Number of orange balls in bag A. Means 8 is 2 times of bag A value or not? What is the 2 times value? 8. Then 1 time value? 4 or not? If it is 4, then blue balls and red balls in bag A, each one is how much? 8. 8 or not? Okay? Because equal or different? Equal. What is the total blue balls in 3 bags? Total blue balls in 3 bags. 8 plus 9 plus 4. 21. Total red balls? 24. Total orange? 17 or not? What is the total number of balls in 3 bags? 60? 58 or 68? 62. 45 plus 17, 62. What is the first question? What is the difference between the total number of orange color balls in all the 3 bags together and the total number of blue color balls all the 3 bags together or not? What is the total orange? 17. Total blue color? 21. Difference is how much? 4 or not? Which option? Third one. Next, 32. Find the total number of all the 3 color balls in the 3 bags together or not? Total number of balls in all the 3 bags is how much? 62. Which option? Third one. Next, 33. Find the average of red color balls in all the 3 bags or not? What are the total red color balls? 24. Average means 8 or not? Next, 34. The total blue balls in bag A are what percent more than the red balls in bag C? Blue balls in bag A, how much? 8. Red balls in bag C, 6. Means 4:3 ratio or not? How many parts are more? 1 part. 1 upon 3. 1 by 3 means 33. 1 by 3%. More or lesser? More. Next, 35. The total blue balls in bag B are what more than the orange balls in the same bag? What more or what percent more? What more? Blue balls in bag B, how much? 9. Orange balls in the same bag, 5. How many are more? 4 more or not? Next, 36. Next question number 36. P was divided between A, B, C in such a way that A got 30 rupees more than the 1/4 of P value and B got 50 less than the 5 by 8 of which one? P value, and C got how many rupees? 150. Find the half of the sum of amounts of A and B or only A? A and B or not? First, A got 30 more than the which one? 1/4 of P value or not? 1/4 means suppose we return 2 by 8 or not? Either 1 by 4 or 2 by 8, both are in same or not? If it is 2 by 8 value, already here 5 by 8 or not? 2 by 8 plus 5 by 8, 2 by 8 plus 5 by 8, 7 by 8 or not? Out of 8 parts, how many parts are already completed? 7 parts or not? What are the remaining parts? 1 part or not? That 1 part equal to remaining value or total value? Remaining value or not? Okay. First one is getting how many rupees are more? 30 rupees more. But second one is how many rupees are less? 50 less. But third one is getting how many rupees? 150 or not? 150 and 50. Difference are 100. 100 plus 30. How much? 130 or not? Okay. Parts wise, how many parts are left? 1 part. Value wise, how many rupees are left? 130. Then every 1 part equal to be written how much value? 130 or not? Out of 8 parts, 7 parts complete, remaining value 1 part. Then total is how many parts? 8 parts or not? 1 part 130, 8 parts value is how much? 1040 or not? What is the question here? Find the half of the sum of the amounts of which one? A and B or only A? A and B or not? First we need to identify the A value or not? Okay. But A get 30 more than the 1/4 of P value or not? Here P nothing but how much value? 1040. In that 1/4 nothing but half, again half value or not? What is the half of the 1040? 520. Half of the 520? 260. Compared to 260, how many rupees are more getting? 30 more. Plus 30 or minus 30? Plus 30. It is 290 rupees or not? Next, B got 50 less than the which one? 5 by 8 value or not? 5 by 8. 5 by 8 of which value? 1050. 5 by 8 of 1050. 8 how many times? 130 times or not? 130 into 5, 650 or not? Compared to 650, how many rupees are less? 50 less or 50 more? 50 less. Means you getting how much? 600 or not? But here we required half of the sum of the which one? A and B. What is the sum of the A and B? 890 or not? In that how much value we need? Half value. By 2 or not? Half of the 890. 445. Okay. If you require total value means we are not required this process. Just answer will be 1040. But here question will be half of the sum of the amounts of A and B or not? Next question number 37. Sum of the speed of upstream and downstream is given 55 km per hour and the ratio between the speed of the stream and speed of the boat is given 1:11. Find the difference between to cover 12.5 kilometers downstream and 10 kilometers are upstream or not? Okay. Speed of the stream is how many parts? 1 part. Speed of the boat 11 parts. Then M plus S is how many parts? 12 parts or not? Then m minus s is how many parts? 10 parts or not? M plus s 12 parts, m minus s 10 parts or not? Okay. Then m value is how many parts? Sorry, here sum of the which one? Upstream and downstream are given or not? Sum of these one means plus s minus s cancel or not? What is the remaining value? 2m or not? 2m equal to 22 parts or not? 2m 22 parts means m value are 11 parts or not? Only m value is how many parts? 11 parts. That 11 parts equal to how much value? 55. Because 2m is the sum of the which one? Downstream and upstream. That value are equal to how many parts? 22 parts. The same 22 parts are equal to how much value? 55 km per hour. Means 11 parts are 55. Then every one part is how much? 5 or not? Every one part are 5 km per hour or per hour. What is the question here? Time difference to cover 12.5 kilometers downstream and also 10 kilometers upstream or not? 12.5 kilometers downstream. Distance are 12.5. Downstream speed m plus s or m minus s? M plus s. What is the one part value? 5. Then 12 parts value? 60 or not? Next, second one. 10 kilometers upstream, distance are 10, but upstream speed m minus s, how many parts? 10 parts. 10 parts is 50 or not? Okay. We require difference in time or sum of the time? Difference in time. How many times it is? 1 by 5 or not? 1 by 5 hour means how many minutes? This one? 12 minutes or not? This one are 12 minutes. Again, 2 and a half how many times? 5 times. 2 and a half how many times? 2 and a half. 5 means 12. 2 and a half means 24 or not? 5 by 24 into which value? 60 or not? 5 by 24 hour converted to which one? Minutes. 5 twos are, sorry, 12 twos are 12 how many times? 5 times or not? Distance is given how much? 12.5. M plus s is how much? 12 parts. 12 and a half by 60. How much? 12 and a half by 60. Converted to minutes or hours? Minutes. Into 60. Both 60 are cancelled or not? What is the remaining value? 12 and a half minute or not? 12 and a half minute. And second one is how many minutes? 12 minutes. What is the difference in time? 30 seconds or not? 12 and a half by 60. Converted to which one? Minutes or hours? Minutes. Into 60 or not? Both 60 are cancelled. What is the remaining value? 12.5. Means it is 12 and a half minutes or not? 12 and a half minutes and 12 minutes. Difference are how many seconds? 30 seconds or not? Next, 38. In a school, out of a total number of students, 40% are which one? Boys. And from girls, 1/4 are participated in a project. The remaining girls are 1080. Find the total number of boys in the school or not? Suppose total students we treated as 100%. In that boys are how much percent? 40%. Obviously remaining 60% are girls or not? Out of 60%, 1/4 are participating in a project or not? Means out of 60, 1/4 are participating or not? Then not participating value is how much? 3 by 4. 3 by 4 of which percentage? 60% or not? That value are equal to how much? 1080 or not? But we required how much percent? Boys. Means how much percent we need? 40% or not? Okay. 3/4 of 60 means directly we return 45% or not? 45%. Okay. In place of this one already we are taken 45. 5 how many times? 9. 5 how many times? 8 times or not? 9 how many times? 1, 2, 0 or not? 120 into 8. How much? 960 or not? Next question number 39. The length of a rectangle is 3 centimeters more than the which one? Breadth. The breadth is 6 centimeters more than the which one? Radius of the circle. Whose area is given 154 centimeters square. Whose area means it is circle area or not? Circle area means formula pi r square. Pi r square equal to 154. Then r value is 700. R value are 7. If r value are 7, breadth of the rectangle is how much? 1300. Breadth of the rectangle is 13. But length of a rectangle compared to breadth value 3 more. Means length value is how much? 1600. But we required perimeter of a rectangle 100. Nothing but 2 of L plus B 100. 16 plus 13, 29 into 2 times. How much? 58. Next question number 40. The compound interest on a certain sum for 2 years at the rate of 10% per annum is given how much? 385 more than the simple interest on the same sum for how many years? 2 years at 5% per annum. What is the sum value? In compound interest case, what is the rate of percent are given? 10%. How many years are given? 2 years. 10% for 2 years compound interest 21%. But in simple interest 5% for how many years? 2 years. 5% for 2 years means 10% or not. What is the difference in interest? 11%. But in place of 11%, how much value are given? 385. We required which one? Sum value. Means how much percent we need? 100% or not. 11 how many times? 35. It is 3500. Next question number 41. A and B started a business with their investments 8,000 and 4,000 respectively. After 3 months, C joined with a certain amount and B withdraw its total investment. If the total profit is given 54,000, in that C got 18,000 as a profit. Find the C investment or not. C investment. What the A investment are given? 8,000. Used for how many months? 8,000 used for 12 months or not? 8,000 used for 12 months. What the B investment? 4,000 used for 3 months or not? Because B left after 3 months. 4,000 are used for 3 months or not? Next. What is the C investment? Known or unknown? Unknown. Suppose C investment I written I3. It is used for how many months? 9 months or not? Because C will be joined after 3 months. Then C capital are used for 9 months or not? What is the numerator meaning? A and B profit. Denominator meaning C profit or not? Okay. C profit is how much? 18,000. A, B, C together profit 54,000 or not? What is the ratio? 3:1 or not? Okay. Out of the 3 parts, C getting how many parts? 1 part or not? Obviously A and B are getting 2 parts or not? Out of the 3 parts, C getting how many parts? 1 part. Then remaining 2 parts are A and B or not? Next, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Next 3 how many times? 4 times or not? Okay. Any cancellations? 2 again how many times here? 2,000. And here 2 again how many times? 4,000 or not? 4,000 into 4, 16,000 plus 2,000, 18,000. It is equal to I3 into 3 or not? Then I3 equal to how much? 6,000. Cross multiplication we are getting I3 into 3. It is equal to 18,000 or not? Then I3 value are 6,000. Next 42. The ratio of the present age of Meera and Smita is given 4:5 and the ratio of the age of Smita 5 years ago to the present age of Neha is given 2:1. Also the ratio of the present age of Meera to the age of Neha is given 2:1. Find the sum of the present age of all the 3 persons or not? Okay. How many persons are there? 3 persons or not? Meera is how many parts present? 4 parts or not? Smita is how many parts? 5 parts or not? But one more ratio are given. The present age of the Meera to the age of Neha is given 2:1 or not? Already we know Meera is how many parts? 4 parts. Okay. If Meera 4 parts, Neha will be how many parts? 2 parts or not? Because Meera and Neha are in which ratio? 2:1. Meera 4 parts means Neha must be 2 parts or not? We required sum of the 3 persons or not? 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. How many options? Only one or not? How many parts we need? 11 parts. How many options are 11 multiples? Only one or not? Next. Or else, what is the Smitha value? 5 parts. 5 years back, 5 parts minus 5 or plus 5? Minus 5. It is equal to present age of Neha. Ratio are given how much? 2:1 or not? Then I return 2 times of Neha present value or not? What is the Neha present value? 2 parts or not? 2:1 nothing but 2 by 1 or not? 5 parts minus 5, it is equal to 2 by 1 of which one? Neha present value or not? 5 parts and 4 parts, what is the difference? 1 part equal to how many years? 5 years or not? Total how many parts? 11 parts. 11 5s are 55. 5 parts minus 5 by 2 parts equal to 2:1. Both are in same or not? Okay. Next question number 43. A container contains mixture of milk and water is in the ratio of 7:3. If 12 liters of water is added to the mixture, then the ratio of milk to water becomes 5:3. If 19 liters of water is added, then the ratio of milk to water becomes 10:7. Find the initial quantity of milk in the mixture. Okay. What is the milk and water ratio? 7:3. We are adding the 12 liters of water or 12 liters of milk? 12 liters of water. If you are adding the water, the ratio will be changes to which one? 5:3. We are adding only water, means milk will be constant or changed? Constant. What is the LCM of 7, 5? 35. 7 how many times? 5 times. Then first ratio is multiplied by 5. 5 7s are 35, 5 3s are 15 or not? 35 and 15. Second one is multiplied by 7 times or not? 7 5s are 35, 7 3s are 21 or not? What is the initial water? 15. What is the new water? 21. How many parts are increased? 6 parts. In place of 6 parts, how many liters are adding? 12 liters. 6 parts are 12 liters. Every 1 part are 2 liters. But we require total quantity of the milk or mixture. Milk. Initial quantity of the milk means how many parts we need? 35 parts or not? Then 35 parts will be 70 or 80? 70. What is the 1 part value? 2. We require how many parts? 35 parts. If you are take the second one also, we are get the same answer or different answer? Same answer. What is the second one milk parts? 10 parts. First one 7 parts. LCM is 70 or not? One is 70, second one also 70 or not? But 10 3 is how much? 30. And 7 7s are 49. How many parts are increased? 19 parts. 19 parts equal to how many liters are adding? 19 liters or not? 19 parts, 90 liters. We required how many parts? 70 parts or not? Next question number 44. Shopkeeper gave an additional 15% concession on the reduced price after giving 20% standard concession on an article. If a customer bought that article for 2,448, whatever the original price or not? Okay. Suppose original price we are taken as 100%. Out of 100%, standard concession is how much percent? 20% or not? Out of 100%, 20% are standard concession means after concession, what is the remaining value? 80% or not? In that, shopkeeper gave an additional 15% concession on the reduced price after giving standard concession or not? After giving standard concession, what is the remaining value? 80%. In that, how much percent are additionally? 15%. What is the 10% of 80? 8. 5%? 4. 8 plus 4? 12. 80 minus 12 or not? What is the remaining value? 68% or not? 68%. Actually, bill amount are 100%. But he paid how much? 68% or not? 68% equal to how much value? 2,448. We required how much percent? 100% or not? 68 means 17 multiple or not? 17 how many times? 4 times. 17 ones are, what is the remaining value? 17 ones are 70, remaining value 74. 74 means 4 times or not? Again 4 times or not? 4 how many times? 36. 36 into 100 means 3600. We are get the 1% value is how much? 36. Then 100% are 3600. Next question number 45. Or verify the 9 multiple. 2448 is 9 multiple or not? How many options are 9 multiples? Only one. Next question number 45. In an election between two candidates, one got 55% of the total valid votes and 25% of the votes were invalid. If the total number of votes was 6400, the number of valid votes that the other candidate got or not? Okay. Suppose total votes already given how much? 6400. In the 25% are invalid or valid? Invalid. Means valid votes are 75% of which value? 6400 or not? In that one candidate is getting how much percent? 55%. Suppose valid votes we are taken as 100%. In that one candidate are getting 55% means other one are getting 45% or not? Means 45% of which value we need? 75% of 6400 or not? What is the 75% of 6400? 4800 or not? What is the 50%? 3200. 25%? 1600. 3200 plus 1600. 4800. In that how much percent we need? 45% or not? 50%? 2400. 5%? 240. 2400 minus 240. 2160. Or 45% means written 9 by 20 or not? 75% means written 3 by 4 into how much value? 6400. Next question number 46. First priority division value or not? 14 into 3. 42 by 6 means 7 or not? 7 plus 107. 114 or not? 15% of 200. 30. 114 plus 30. 144. Under root of 144. 12. Next 47. Next first priority 4 by 3 into 12 or not? 4 by 3 into 12. 3 how many times 12? 4 times or not? Nothing but 4 into 4 or not? This one I written 2 power something into 4 plus 16 or minus 16? Plus 16. It is equal to 4 power 4 into 64 means written 4 cube power 2 or not? Okay. Or else just wait. 2 power something into 4. What is the second value we are getting? 4 4 how much? 16 or not? Plus 16 or not? Means this one I written into 2 power 16 or not? Into 2 power 16. It is equal to 4 power 4. 4 power 4 means it is 2 power 8. 64 means 2 power 6 power 2. 2 power 12 or not? 64 means written 2 power 6 or not? Power 2 means it is 2 power 12 or not? What is the right hand side value? 2 power 20 or not? 2 power 20. Already here 16 means it must be 4 or not? 2 power something into 4, it is equal to 2 power 4 or not? Means something must be 1. Next 48. First priority 4 2 by 3 or not? 4 2 by 3 means 14 by 7. 7 how many times 14? 2 times or not? 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 2 by 3. And this one is plus 1 by 3 or not? 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 1 or not? Next. Here value 160. Minus 6 2 by 5 into how much value? 25 or not? 62 by 5 means we return 32 by 5 or not. 5 how many times? 25. 5 times. 5 into 32 or not. 5 32s 160. Minus 160 plus 160 cancel or not. What is the remaining value? 1. Next 49. First priority 16% of which one? 300 means 48 plus 40 minus 5 how many times? 10. 2 times. 20 into 2 40. 40 40 cancel or not. What is the remaining value? 48. Next one. First priority 20% of which one? 40. 20% of 40 means 8 minus 8 into 3 24 plus 160 equal to how much value? 194. Okay. First 8 minus 24 minus 16. 160 minus 16 144 plus 144 becomes minus 144 or not. 194 and 144 difference are 50 or not. That 50 it is equal to something into 5 or not. Something into 5 equal to 50 means something must be 10. Next 51. First one is 14. Second one 9 by 7 or not. Next one 17 by 9 into 25 by 17 into how much value? 1 by 25 or not. 25 25 cancel or not. 17 17 cancel or not. 9 9 also cancel or not. 14 by 7 how much? 2 or not. Next question number 52. Under root of 361 means 19. 19 into 2 38. Numerator 38, denominator 38 cancel or not. Next 2 1 by 3 means 7 by 3 or not. 7 how many times? 14. 2 times. It is 1 by 6 or not. 1 by 6. First term we are getting 1 by 6. Second one 10 by 12 or not. Means 5 by 6. 1 by 6 plus 5 by 6. 1 or not. Next 53. 25% of 400 means 100. Out of 172 we are subtracting 100 or not. What is the remaining value? 72. It is equal to 18 into something or not. Something must be 4. Next 54. 24.5% of 1000 is how much? 245 or not. 245. Out of 260 we are subtracting 245 or not. What is the remaining value? 15 or not. That 15 equal to 15% of something or not. 15% of something equal to 15 means something must be 100 or not. Because 15% 15, 100% 100. Next 55. First priority right hand side value or not. 30% of 600 180. 820 plus 180 1000. 1000 plus 110 111 0. In this one 60 into 12 720. Subtracting or adding? Subtracting. What is the difference? 390 or 290? 390. It is equal to 13 into something or not? Something must be 30. Next 56. Quadratic equations. What is the coefficient of x square? 12. But coefficient of y square? 30. LCM of 12 comma 30. 60 or not? 12 how many times? 5 times. 30 how many times? 2 times. Then x roots are multiplied by 5 times. Y roots are multiplied by 2 times or not? Okay. 12 5 is how much? 60. Means one will be minus 10. Another one are minus 6 or not? Next second one 30 into 30 900. But 30 means we return 5 into 6 or not? Another 30 means we return 6 into 5 or not? 6 into 6 36. 5 into 5 25. 36 plus 25 61 or not? One is minus 36, another one are minus 25 or not. What are the x final roots? 50 and 30. Y final roots? 72 and 50 or not. Okay. 50 compared to 72 less than 50 compared to 50 equal 30 compared to 72 and 50 less than. Overall relation x less than or equal to y. Next question number 57. X square minus 16x plus 63 equal to 0. One will be minus 9, another one are minus 7 or not. Second one, product value 35, some value are minus 12. One will be minus 5, another one are minus 7. What are the x final roots? 9 and 7. Y final roots are 5 and 7. 9 compared to 5 comma 7 greater, 7 compared to 5 greater, and 7 compared to 7 equal. X greater than or equal to y. Next 58. 32x square plus 44x plus 15 equal to 0 not. What is the coefficient of x square? 32. Coefficient of y square? 42 or not. Means x roots are multiplied by 42 or not. Or else, what is the half of the 32? 16. Half of the 42? 21 or not. 2 into 16 into 21, it will be LCM value. Compared to that one, if it is multiplied by 42 and second roots are multiplied by 32, it is easier not. Okay. If you are take the LCM, again we are required 2 into 16 into 21 or not. What is the LCM value? 2 into 16 into 21. It will be time taken process. Or else directly we are taken, one will be 42 times, another one are 32 times. 32 into how much value? 15. 32 means I written 8 into 4 or not? 8 into 4. 15 means 3 into 5 or not? 8 3 is how much? 24. 4 5 is 20 or not? One is plus 24, another one are plus 20 or not? Next second one, 42 into 15, 7 into 6, 3 into 5 or not? Okay, 6 3 is how much? 18, 7 5 is 35. One is 35, another one are 18 or not? Which one is the more values? 42 into 24 means we are getting 40 to 20 is how much? 840. 40 to 4 is 168. Means it is more than 1000 or less than 1000? More than 1000. 32 into 35. 960 plus 160. 1020 or not? Almost closer values or not? First 24 into 42 how much? 24 into 42. 840 plus 96. Sorry, 840 plus 168. 1008 or not? Minus 1008 or plus 1008? Minus 1008. 42 into 20. 840 or not? Next y values. 32 into how much value? 35. 1050 plus 70. 1120 or not? 1120. 18 into 32. 540 plus 36. 576 or not? If you don't know the 32 table, already we know the 18th table or not? 1830 is 540. 18 to the 36 or not? Minus 1008 compared to minus 1120. Greater. But minus 1008 compared to minus 576. Less than or greater than? Less than. Then relation can't be established. Next question number 59. X minus 2 square equal to x minus 2 or not? Okay. X minus 2 square means written x square plus 4 minus 4x or not? It is equal to how much value? X minus 2. This one I written x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 or not? A minus B whole square, A square minus B square plus A square plus B square minus 2AB or not. What are the x final roots? 3 and 2 or not. Minus 3 minus 2 initial roots, final roots are plus 3 plus 2. Second one, 9y square minus 36y plus 35 equal to 0 or not. 9 means written 3 into 3 or not. 35 means 5 into 7 or not. Okay, 3 5s are how much? 21. 7 3s are 21. 3 5s are 15, 7 3s are 21. Total it is 36. Then y value is written minus plus 15 and plus 25. Plus 15 and plus 25. Wait. What is the coefficient of x square? 1. But coefficient of y square? 9. Simply we return x roots are multiplied by which one? 9. 9 3s are how much? 27. 9 2s are 18. 27 compared to 15 greater. 27 compared to 25 greater. But 18 compared to 15 greater. But 18 compared to 25 less than or not. Then relation? No relation or not. 18, 25, 18 and 15. Next is 60. 18x square plus 39x plus 20 equal to 0. What is the coefficient of x square? 18. Coefficient of y square? 10. What is the LCM? 90 or not? 18 how many times? 5 times. 10 how many times? 9 times. Then x roots are multiplied by 5 times. Y roots are multiplied by 9 times or not? 18 into 20 or not? 18 into 20. 18 I return 6 into 3 or not? 20 means return 5 into 4 or 4 into 5. Okay? 5 3 is how much? 15. 6 4 is how much? 24. One is plus 24, another one are plus 15 or not? Next, y roots. 10 into 21 or not? One will be 5 into 2, another one are 3 into 7 or not? 3 into 7. 7 2s are how much? 14. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 14, 29. One is plus 15, another one are plus 14 or not? What are the x final roots? Minus 120, minus 75. Y roots are minus 135, minus 126 or not? Okay. Negative 120 compared to negative 135. Greater than or less than? Greater than. Minus 120 compared to minus 126. Greater. Minus 75 compared to these two values. Greater or not? Relation x greater than y. Next, 61. The following table shows the total number of people who works in 4 different places in 2 different years are given or not. Persons are given A, B, C, D and years are given 2019 and 20. First, the number of people who work in A in 2020 is what percent less than the number of people who work in A and D in 2019 together or not? What is the A value in 2020? 450. Is what percent less than the A and D together in 2019? What is the A value in 2019? 320. D value 280. Total 600. 450 and 600 or not? What is the ratio? 3:4 or not? How many parts are less? One part. 1 upon 4 or not? 1 by 4 means 25%. Less or more? Less. Which option? Second one. Next is 62. What is the difference between the sum of the number of people who work in B and C in 2019 together and the sum of the number of people who work in D and C in 2020 or not? B and C together in 2019. B and C together in 2019. 360 plus 300 or not? How much? 660. And D and C together in 2020. 240 plus 420. How much? 660. Difference 0. Which option? First one. Next 63. What is the average of the number of people who work in A in 2019, B in 2019 and D in 2020 and C also in 2020? What is the A value in 2019? 320. B value 360. Total 680 100. Next D value in 2020 420. C value also 2020 240. 420 plus 240 660 100. What is the sum value? 1340, but we required average by 400. How much? 335 because 1200 plus 140 100. 1200 means 300, 140 means 35. 1200 plus 140 by how much value? 400. Next question number 64. What is the ratio between the number of people who work in B and C in 2020 together and the number of people who work in D and A in 2019 together respectively or not? B and C together in 2020. What is the B value? 420. C value 240. Total it is 660 or not? Next D and A in 2019. What is the D value? 280. A value 320. Total it is 600 or not? We required ratio or not? 11 times and 10 times or not? 11 is to 10. First option or not? Next 65. What is the total number of people who work in all the places together in 2020 or not? 2020 all the places together or not? First we are add wait. In units positions last two digits different or not? 50 plus 20 70 plus 40 110 or not? 110 plus 20 130 ending with 30 or not? How many options? Only one.